everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell, I have the Christmas tree behind me and we are doing a Christmas decor haul, Luxe on a budget. So today I'm going to be showing you a lot of really cute Christmas tree decor that I bought and some decor for my house. And surprisingly enough, some of this comes from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. And they're super cute, really luxe. This year we have all the fur and the feathers and the whites. So I was going to do pops of blush this year, but I decided not to. I'm just sticking to my silver, champagne, and then this year I'm adding more white. So if you'd like to see how to get Luxe on a budget for this Christmas, then please keep watching. Okay, so turn on your Christmas music. Grab your favorite cup with your favorite drink, some hot cocoa, hot tea, coffee, cocktail, whatever you like. Grab that and let's get cozy. So it's not even Thanksgiving yet. It is actually the night before Thanksgiving and I'm filming this, putting up my Christmas tree. My husband is not too excited about putting up the lights outside. He thinks it's too early, but is it really ever too early for lights and presents and trees? No, it's never too early. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna start with the dollar store. So everything I'm gonna show you, all these little ornaments and tree decor is from the dollar store. The first one is this really pretty little snowflake with a jewel in the middle. I think I ended up buying, let's see. I bought 4 of these. So these are super cute. They're kind of big, so they're gonna fill up quite a bit of space, which is what I was looking for this year. So I really love these. They're really good quality too. They're not gonna break easy or anything like that. And I think they look pretty expensive. I mean, I don't think that you would know that I paid $1 for this, and I did, so that's always good. Next up from the dollar store, I have these super gorgeous white crosses, and they go so well with the snowflakes. And again, these are a pretty good size. I mean, it's not too small and it's really good quality, not flimsy or anything like that. Really good to fill your tree with. And I ended up buying 4 of these. And again, this cost $1. And I will link everything down below in the description box, just so if you want to buy it online or needed more information about what I got, then I can show you that there. Now moving on to what I purchased at Walmart this year. These little guys are so cute. How cute is this little deer? It's like a little plastic crystal deer with glitter antlers. I'm obsessed with this. It is so cute. When I saw this, I had to have it. I wanted to have lots of deer this year, antlers, stuff like that. I'm usually not into like the rustic look, but again, with the silver and the white, so it really turns it into that kind of luxe feel. So I got 2 of these, and I'm not sure how much these were $1.97. It says it on the back. So these little babies were pretty cheap as well. Kind of more of like a statement piece for the tree. So really like these. What do you know? It's another deer with fur. How cute is this? So this is another little plastic, or no, maybe glass. No, I think it's plastic. So this is another little statement piece that I got for the tree. It has the really big white antlers that are all glittery. And then we have the fur around the neck with a jewel in the middle. And this little baby was $1.97 as well. And I only ended up getting 1 of these. You just can't go wrong with the feathers this year. So these are angel wings. And it has feathers on the top. They're really glittery. I only purchased 1 of these, and this was $1.97 as well from Walmart. They have a really good selection this year. So usually I buy all of my ornaments from Kirkland's. First year where I've tried to find ornaments on a budget. So Walmart, Dollar Tree, they really had some good stuff. I was definitely surprised that I could find what I was looking for that was good quality, because you know, at the dollar store, they do have really good stuff, but sometimes their quality isn't as good as you think it would be. And I was so surprised. I mean, I was in there with like 2 baskets ready to go. So this little bursting star, snowflake, whatever you want to call it. This little baby was $1.97 as well from Walmart. And look how thick it is. I mean, this thing is really big. I think it's going to stand out really good in the tree. Ooh. If I don't drop it, so. Alexa, music off. And then another purchase from Walmart were these little hooks for 98 cents. These attach to the ornaments to where you hang them on the tree. I have quite a few, but since I'm purchasing all new ornaments, I wanted to have extras because I don't want to keep running back and forth to the store. So these are really good cheapies just to kind of keep around the house. That is going to be it for the Dollar Tree and Walmart. Now moving on to At Home. So guys, this is the first time that I ever went to At Home. I don't know why, but never been there, and I probably stayed in there for 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I was so in love with everything. I was just amazed at everything they had, the prices, their Christmas decor. You have to go there and see it. Now these prices are a little bit more expensive, but I don't think they're too pricey. I think the most expensive thing I got here for the tree is going to be like $6 or $7. So not too bad, but again, you know, it's not like the dollar store or Walmart. So here's some other options for you. So the first thing from At Home that I got were these little deer antlers. I'm obsessed. Deer antlers are really in this year. I saw some at Target that I wanted to get. They were metal. They were like $20 a piece. And I was like, no, probably not gonna buy those. So these are actually $4.99. This is just a little pick that you will stick into the tree, probably on like each side, I guess. Not sure where we're gonna place them yet, but make sure you stay tuned because I will be doing a video next of decorating my Christmas tree. I really want you guys to see what all it looks like once it's a finished product. I bought these white boas, and I ended up buying 3 of these. I was gonna end up getting more, but these things are kind of expensive. I was surprised. So these were actually $8 for one. So kind of pricey. I looked at Walmart, they did not have any, but you can also order them online at Walmart, so I will link that down below. I just didn't have time to wait for them to get shipped here or anything like that, and with my Prime membership, there really wasn't any boas on there that I could get in time, so I just ended up purchasing these. A little bit more than I wanted to spend for those, but there are cheaper options for you. And again, the feathers, the fur, it's all in this season to get you that super luxe Christmas tree. I mean, like, you could wear this anywhere. Am I gonna put it on the tree? Am I gonna wear it out? You tell me. Give me all the things extra. The only one that puts up my Christmas tree early. Look at these bad boys. So these big bulbs, yeah. These bulbs are from At Home. These are so big. They're white with glitter, and these were $9.99 for 3 of them, so not too bad, and these are really gonna fill up the tree nicely. My tree's not too big, it's like 7.5 foot, I think, so I ended up only getting 1 package. Then I bought some baby bulbs. These are white with glitter. They're exactly like the big ones I just showed you. They're just smaller. And these are $5.99 for 16. So super, super good price. The quality looks amazing. I cannot wait to try these out. This is our first color that's not white. So these are champagne. Last year I did my tree in silver and champagne colors. I didn't have too much white, so this year I'm really going all out with the white and the feathers and fur and sparkles, really giving it that over-the-top luxe feel. So these are the small bulbs again. These are in champagne and they're $6.99 for 16. These are some sprays that I got. So last year on the top of my tree, I did not do a tree topper. I do the sprays all on the top of the tree. Put some of the sprays in the tree to kind of make it blend together. And these get glitter everywhere. Like, I'm covered right now. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's everywhere. So these are $1.99 from At Home. I got 4 of these in the silver. These are so cute, super cheap once again. Look how little these are. These are tiny little sprays that you would put, you know, into the side of the tree. And these are $2.99 from At Home. I ended up getting 3 of these. Whenever I look at this, it just makes me think of Christmas. I don't know, just like snow. And this is probably the biggest ornament that I purchased, and it was only $3.99 from At Home. This is a cute little snowflake. I ended up purchasing 2 of the snowflakes from At Home. I love these, giving me all the vibes. Is it really Christmas without all of this? Look at this, it's like I'm holding a tree. So these are white sprays, or fillers, I guess you could say, whatever you want to call it. What is this called? Costa, what is this called? A spray?
Branch.
A branch. Costa says it's called a branch. So I got this little white branch spray, whatever you want to call it, from At Home for $4.99. And I purchased 3 of these. I mean, you could literally like make a tree. Oh, you know what would be another cute thing you could actually do with these? You could put all of these together. I don't know if I can put it in the camera. So you could put all of these together, maybe wrap it at the bottom with like a clear elastic or something, and you could put it in a vase and make this like a little centerpiece. So that is all the ornaments that I purchased for the tree. Now I'm just going to show you some other Christmas decor that I purchased. Not everything, because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm just going to be showing you a few little deer that I purchased from At Home. They're so cute. I love these little deer. I'm obsessed with little deer. I have them all over the house. So the first one is this little sparkly champagne guy. Look at his back. That is so cute. Look at him. And he was $9.99 from At Home. Be careful because I have glitter everywhere. He will probably go on my fireplace, or we have a mirror dresser under our TV in the living room, so he may go on there as well. The next deer is this little white furry one. And look at his sparkly antlers. He's so cute. I don't know why I assume they're all boys, but I don't know. They just seem like they are to me, I guess. But this little guy was pretty expensive from At Home. He was $29.99, which is a little bit expensive for one of these. So this guy's pretty big. Him and the next one I'm going to show you are going to go on each side of our TV in the living room. This is the last piece that I'm going to be showing you. This deer was from At Home for $14.99. And he is kind of like a silver metallic. This one will set on the other side of my TV in the living room. So that's going to be the end of this video for my lavish luxe holiday decor. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Stay tuned for my next video because everything that I showed you is going to go on my Christmas tree. And I can't wait to show you guys. See you guys next time.